So boom, everyone's buying Canon R5s and I just bought a Canon 90D, so let's unbox this puppy. I bought this from Amazon for $1,029, the cheapest. The cheapest you can actually buy this at, from Amazon at least, that I found. It comes with a 14-piece bundle, comes with a bunch of stuff I don't need. So I got a super duper, you know these kits come with a super duper cheap tripod. Yeah. Let's open this up. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. It's not as cheap as I thought it'd be. So let's put this aside. Came with this super heavy duty camera bag that I don't really care about. Came with cleaning kits for lenses, blow air out. Ooh. Pop this boy up. Had to let my dog out, but came with a super thing to blow air out and some other things. Don't really care about that. $90 is what we care about. Open this boy up. Blah blah blah. Don't care. User manual. It's super thick paper. Who even reads these? 32 SanDisk. Gonna need this puppy. Every can comes with its own little battery charger. LMFAO battery. Camera strap that I don't know who uses. Well, this boy's big. Now right now I'm shooting on a Canon SL2, so this is a real beefy camera. It's a real big upgrade. Ooh, this is a way bigger grip. I would say I have like medium hands, maybe medium hands, and this is just a super way bigger grip. Okay. Yeah, infinitely bigger than it feels infinitely bigger than a Canon SL2 that I'm currently shooting on right now. Ooh. What I'm gonna love is the separate SD card slot, because the Canon SL2 is combined in the battery, and that's just super annoying, especially when you like mount the camera somehow or some way. But this is definitely such a way bigger camera. Now, as you see by the title, I went with a 90D because, I mean, an R5's $3,500, an R6, I think it's $2,600. Crazy expensive. Dumb expensive. But yeah, this is just a real quick unboxing of this. I'll plan to do maybe a review later, but just doing a real quick one so I can play with it. So boom, I don't know what order I'm putting this in, but I'm pretty sure I'm putting it after the unboxing. So here's the Canon 90D. And also tell me how you like this lighting setup. I did some weird things in my room, so hopefully it looks pretty decently good and I look pretty decently lit. But I'm currently shooting on a Canon SL2, and from the title of this video, you know this is a Canon 90D. Now, if you're wondering why I upgraded to this, come on, think, focus. Focus on this. Not me? There we go. definitely wanted to take this more seriously. Shoot 120p, everyone talks about it. I've only shot in 60p, 120 sounds super crazy. Now this is about $1,000 for the body. I could have got a Canon RP for $1,000, but the video qualities aren't as good as this. And I'm into photography, but I'm not crazy into photography. I'm more into cinematography or videography, whatever one you want to use. But so that's why I picked this boy up. And for $1,000, it came with all the things you saw before. I actually had to pick up two SanDisk Extreme Pro cards because the card that came with this was 40 megabytes a second, super slow. And then cards I bought for this, for the Canon SL2, are 80 megabytes, which are super slow. So I decided to get the Extreme Pro by SanDisk for 20 bucks a pop. So I bought two of those. So I spent 40 bucks for 64 gigabytes in each card. I thought about going UHS-2, but it's super expensive. It's like 80 bucks, like 64 gigabytes, and I guess SanDisk Extreme Pro worked well enough, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna use for this. And I actually just picked up a Tamron 28-75 for this bad boy off eBay for 110 bucks. So I'm trying to expand my lens a little bit. I recently bought a 16-35. You would know that if you watched my previous video about the Lenovo Duet Chromebook 2. But this definitely was worth it to me. I could have bought the Canon EOS R for like $1,300 used on eBay, of course. But the pictures are fantastic out of the camera, but the videos cropped and look pretty terrible. But I guess for why I didn't want to go mirrorless is because the video just wasn't there for me. I couldn't do what I wanted it to do, at least. And K90 does what I want to do, and I'm already invested in some Canon glass and Canon gear, so I don't feel like switching brands at this point. But the Sony A7S III looks absolutely amazing. It just is like, don't really need it, can't afford it anyway, but looks fantastic. But can't wait to shoot some amazing videos with this, unboxings, vlogs. I don't really know what I'm doing with this channel. I'm just having fun at this point. So if you like this and you like whatever else I get my hands on, and you want to see me use it and unbox it, then tune in. And oh, I got one of them subscribe things, so it's gonna be like right here, I think. I'll put like right here. But other than that, this was the Canon 9D unboxing, and I'll see you guys later.
I love Chris Rich.